Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening TikTok and going straight to Live. Make sure your account meets eligibility so tools appear. Once Live setup loads, tap Settings and enable captions and any text overlays. This makes on-screen text available. If you want branded text, prepare it now in drafts or notes. This speeds insertion during the broadcast. You do this first because Live tools lock once streaming begins, so get overlays and permissions confirmed before you press Go Live. Once you are live, tap the text or sticker icon to insert a text layer. This is where you add captions, titles, or callouts. You can type directly, paste prepared text, and then pinch to scale and drag to position it. Choose high contrast color and readable font because viewers vary devices. Make sure to use the duration or pin options so text stays long enough. This matters when you explain steps or display links, since viewers need time to read while you continue speaking. To finish, verify the text looks right on different viewers' screens and save a recording or screenshot if you want the text for later use. Once done, you can remove, edit, or pin text before ending the stream. This ensures post-live clips keep intended messaging. If text doesn't appear, first toggle live captions or close and reopen the overlay. This often fixes permission or rendering hiccups. If problems persist, restart the app and re-enter the live. That clears most transient issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.